Thought I'd do a little update here. These are the 3 that are left. 3 tower ladders left. I believe one is a 2004 and the rest are 2002s. One of them is 111 truck, which is a nut house in Brooklyn. Cab. You could see that all the decals that were once on it from the FDNY are now covered over with paint, which is what they usually do when they're sold at auction. I believe I mentioned this in the last video that I did over here. You can still see the decal on the side of the bucket. This one belonged to a tower ladder in Staten Island. See, there's a few spare parts, scene lights. And then over there is a older truck from New Jersey. North Brunswick Fire Department. But yeah, most of them that were in the last video are gone. There was a tiller over there. There was a few rear mounts that are now gone. There was the 91 Seagrave rear mount that was right over here that belonged to Ladder 176. See, it still has it's fading away, but it says 79 on there. That's where the company's number would have been on the bucket. So this one belonged to 79 truck in Staten Island. And there's 2 more back there. One of them belonging to 111 in Brooklyn. See if I could get a better front video of these 2. So over here is the North Brunswick Fire Department's ladder truck, probably from the 90s. Here's a bit better of a front shot. You could still see the yellow and white stripes kind of coming through the paint over there in the middle tower ladder. I'm gonna have to look through my photos, but one of them actually has a top piece for the center tower ladder that says ladder 111 nut house on it. So I'll have to try to find that picture. I got some time back. So that's pretty much all that's left here. Those three, and then there's the bucket that was my first video, which I'll show you in a second. There's the bucket from the past video I did. It's still over there, just sitting there. Then there's a side shot of the North Brunswick. It says volunteer on the side. This has been sitting here for some time, so it's probably not being repaired. Here's some front shots of the trucks. 3 tower ladders. There used to be much more over here. Now they're all gone. And there's the New Brunswick, or North Brunswick Volunteer Fire Department. Here's another angle. And then the front of that ladder truck. And in the distance you see some new Seagraves just sitting there waiting to get their decals added for 2022. There's a 2010 tower ladder, which is going to become a spare.